Hi guys, so I've been using ShareASale for a long time now, and in this video I'm going to walk you guys through on everything that you need to know about this very ShareASale. Okay, I'm going to walk you guys through the advantages, the disadvantages, how much that you're going to get if you sign up for this very ShareASale, everything that you need to know about this very ShareASale. And I'm actually going to show you guys the results that I've gotten from this very ShareASale. I'm going to show you guys that I've actually made thousands of dollars using this very ShareASale to promote products inside it. Okay, so all you need to do is for you to stick with me, pay close attention, get the information, and you'll be able to make an informed decision. That's the best decision for you, so that you will know whether you're going to use this very ShareASale for your business or not. So now that I've talked about that, if after watching this video you decide that you want to use this very ShareASale, the link to it is actually going to be down below in the description of this video. Okay, so use that very link and actually try it out. Okay, and if after watching this video you found this video very useful and helpful, do leave me a like in this video and I'm going to appreciate that. Okay, if you happen to have any question pertaining to this very ShareASale, leave me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to answer all the questions. So let's get started. So for those of you who doesn't know what ShareASale is a site or an affiliate program where you go get some products, do the reviews on them, and you're going to get your commissions. Okay, so I'm someone that I've actually used this ShareASale for a year plus now, and I've made a lot of money in it. Okay, and don't worry, I'm going to show you guys the money. Okay, but before then, I'm going to walk you guys through the pros and the cons. That's the good sides and the bad sides, so just you know what you're going to expect and what you're going to get while using this very ShareASale. Okay, so I'm going to start with the good sides of it. So for the pros, the first thing that I would love to mention here that comes with using this very ShareASale is the fact that they are unlimited products. There are a lot of products that are going to pay you high commissions while using this very ShareASale. Most of them, if you promote them, you're going to get $100 per sign up. Another pro here is that you're going to open it just for free. You don't have to put any money, you don't have to actually stress yourself. You're going to open it 100% free. Okay, and you're going to get those products free, and if you get them, you're going to promote them anyhow you want to promote them. That's good and fine. And now that I've talked about that, the third pro on my list that I have to mention is that they have a very good customer support services. They have a very active customer support. If I have any question, if you are confused, send them email and they're going to get back to you. Okay, and that's one of the things that ShareASale actually offers to you. And now that I've talked about that, the next pro is that they have a very friendly user interface. That's what I loved about these very guys. It's actually easy for you to understand and self-explainable. And now that I've talked about that, another thing that I would love to mention here that you need to know is that they accept every payment method. Okay, so if you're living in a third world country where it's hard for you to actually receive payment from there, don't worry. If you make your sales, they're going to send it to your local bank account. Okay, I've used it and I'm actually in the right position to actually guide you guys on how you're going to do this. Okay, I've been into there before, and that's me here telling you what you need to do. And now that I've talked about that, the next thing that I would love to mention here as the product comes with using this very ShareASale is you get high commissions for any product that you actually advertise or promote. You get high commissions. Okay, and that's all the pros that I have to mention here that comes with using this very ShareASale. You don't need to actually put in money for you to actually get it. Okay, and now that I've talked about that, I'm now going to move on to the cons. That's the bad sides, the disadvantages of using this very ShareASale. So coming to the disadvantages, the first thing that I would love to mention here that I didn't really like while using this very ShareASale is the fact that their signing up requirements is a bit harder. Okay, if you don't have a website, if you have a YouTube channel, you can actually use your YouTube channel for it, but just that they are going to ask for your YouTube channel, your website, your name, every detail about you, they are going to ask of it. But don't worry, don't panic. Okay, if you provide every information that they are going to give you, you're going to actually sign up for that ShareASale. Okay, I'm here telling you because I've actually signed up for it. The time that I signed up for it, I don't have any website. I just used my YouTube account to actually sign up for it, and they got me approved. And that's one of the cons, that's one of the disadvantages of you using this very ShareASale. And now that I've talked about that, the next con on my list that I didn't really like while using this very ShareASale is the fact that there are some fakes out there. Okay, all these big companies actually suffers from these challenges. There are some fakes, there are some scammers out there that build sites that are similar to them. So all you need to do is for you to be very careful while trying to sign up for this ShareASale, in case if you want to do that. If you want to be on the safer side, all you need to do is for you to go to Google, type www.shareasale.com, or if you still want to be on a very much easier and safer side, use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. Okay, that's the link to the official website. Use that link to actually go to ShareASale website and sign up for it and get your commission. So that's the things that I didn't really like about this very ShareASale. Okay, number one, their site is a bit complicated while opening it, but if you provide every information that they ask you, you're going to get approved. So the second one is that there are some fakes out there, and if you want to be on the safer side, use the link down below in the description of this video. Okay, so now that I've talked about that, I'm now going to show you guys the results. That's how much I've actually made from my own dashboard. Okay, from my own ShareASale dashboard. So coming to my results, I started using this ShareASale as of last year November. Okay, that's my last year November, and I've used it up to today, and I'm still using it, and I've actually made thousands of dollars from it. Okay, and up here on the screen is the screenshots of my ShareASale account. account, okay? That's the account that I've actually made from other products, okay? That's how much that I've actually made from other products. You're going to see it up here on the screen. You're going to see that I've actually made 110,000 from these guys, okay? I've made a lot of thousands of dollars from these guys, and I'm still making more up till now. So if you want to be part of it, if you want to partake on it, use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video to start making money while signing up already. So those of you who are skeptical as to whether or not you want to use this very ShareASale for your business, I recommend them 100%, okay? I've actually used them and they work 100%, okay? So if after watching this video you decide you want to use this very ShareASale, I'm going to be leaving the link down below in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Use that link, and if you found this video very useful and helpful, do leave me a like in this video and I'm going to appreciate that, okay? If you're able to have any question, ask me a question down below in the comment section and I'm going to answer the questions. So I'm going to call this a free review here. Do have a nice day. Stay safe. Peace out.